Hi, I'm Sarah Francis, Master Photographer and Director of Photography here at PhotoMirage HD in Denver, Colorado. Congratulations! You've just purchased the Ultimate Lightbox, the finest flash modifier for your speedlight available today. We're going to look at all the parts that come with your kit, and then if you come with me, we're going to assemble it. Let's start with the parts that come in your Ultimate Lightbox kit. You'll get two diffuser bells, translucent one and a black one. Your adapter, the attachment collar, is specific to your flash make and model. Here's the lens. I call it the lid. It's diffusion material that fits on the front of the box. The dome reflector is another type of diffusion, fits inside the box. Your kit will contain a variety of panels for reflection and a gobo. And of course, the Velcro to attach them to the outside of the box. There are two extra panels of material, diffusion, a little bit thinner, a little bit thicker. And for special effects, we have a series of colored gel filters. Now it's time to assemble your Ultimate Lightbox. Keep your speedlight off camera to avoid damaging the hot shoe. Determine the front of the adapting collar. The collar itself has two grooves. The back one is where the diffusion bell will seat. The front of the diffusion bell is plain. The back side will have grooves where the Velcro will go for the attachment cards. Take your adapter, seat it very carefully into the back groove. It'll snap in place firmly. We're ready to put it onto the speedlight. When you assemble it, don't take it like this. Reach down inside and press firmly on the adapter. This is the time, if you want to use the dome reflector for additional softness, this is the time to put it on. It snaps into the front groove quite easily. Now here are the additional softening facility. The lens, which I call the lid, fits on just like so. And if you've decided that you want to use an additional diffusion panel, select the one of your choice, lay it just into the lid, and it snaps right on. When disassembling your Ultimate Lightbox, remove your speedlight from the camera. This will tell you just how firmly it attaches. It's actually hard to pull off. To pop the reflector dome out, put your fingers inside the attachment collar and it pops right free. To remove the attachment from the box itself, squeeze gently on the long side and push inward at an angle. Do the same on the other side and there it's apart. For some applications you may find that you want to use the reflector dome by itself. Simply snap it to the front groove of your adapting collar and by itself fits right onto your speedlight. Now it's time to take the Velcro strips and attach them to the Ultimate Lightbox bell so that your reflector cards can be firmly attached in place. Determine the side of the Velcro that is the soft, fuzzy loop portion and which is the hard hook portion. You want to put the fuzzy side on the bell itself for the simple reason that should you brush against your clothing, you will not snag. So remove the backing paper from the fuzzy side of your Velcro, put it in place, being careful to fit it right into the groove that is provided, and be sure not to extend into the margin area, which is where your lens will attach on the front. Repeat this procedure on both sides, leaving the backing paper intact. Now you're ready to take your card. Peel the backing. Take your card and position it even with the bottom of the Lightbox bell, and now you're ready to press it firmly in place. This is how it should look. If you want to attach a different gobo, take another piece of the hard hook portion of the Velcro, lay it down just like that, remove the backing paper, and one more time in the same way, fit your card to the bottom of the bell and press down firmly. The adapters all look very much alike, so here's a hint. Many of us use multiple models of flash, as I do, so when I have determined which is which, I will mark that unit with its model and the front side. Then I'm never confused. So we're done with the assembly and we're ready to work. Ready, set, flash. Good shot. Join us next time for additional tutorials in the practical use of your Ultimate Lightbox. I'm Sarah Francis.